In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily freeze your location on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first and the easiest method to freeze your location is swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center and then just activate airplane mode. To do that, we need to tap at this airplane button, and what that will do, that will turn off all your network connections such as cellular and Wi-Fi, and that will prevent your iPhone from sharing location because all network connections are now turned off. Unfortunately, by using this method, we won't be able to use internet connection on our device by any applications while airplane mode is active. So now we cannot let's say watch videos on YouTube, we cannot use Messenger, social media platforms, all of that stuff. That's why I prefer to use another method, and to use it, first off we need to head over to settings. After that, just scroll down to privacy and security. Here it is. At the very top, tap at location services. After that, tap at share my location. Here, as you can see, I got a family member here, and now I'm currently sharing my location with all my family because this feature turned on. However, we can easily stop sharing our location by turning this feature off. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.